Hey everyone, this is my example of a screencast-o-matic. It is for a plant unit, and it's something that I was introduced to in my first semester, Dr. Kissel's class actually, and I love it. Next year I want to incorporate it into a sort of flipped classroom, sort of not situation that we're going to try, and Screencast-O-Matic is right at the forefront of that. So it's something that I've been playing around with a lot recently, so I just kind of made a little bit of a quick flip through for plants. I did plant parts and stages, and it's just some images, and I thought maybe something like this would be cool to use as far as getting students thinking about plants and talking about plants and reading some words that pertain to plants and things like that. So sort of just a jumping off point, and anytime I put an iPad or a computer into my kids' hands, they are 100 times more fascinated than if I pull up a real live book and show them the exact same picture. So I'm just going to flip through. I started off with seeds. I used sunflowers because there my kids are at recess spitting sunflower seeds, and so they are very into the sunflower plant right now during our unit. They actually chose to plant those for Mother's Day, which they're not growing too well right now, but we're really hoping that they sprout up real soon. So I would just use this simple slideshow sort of to intrigue them. I mean, they're going to get to look at some different parts of the plants like seeds, then sprouts. That's a stage of a plant, so that's sort of getting them thinking about, oh wow, look how teeny tiny, and I'm looking at that tree outside. Did it come from a little sprout like that? Or, oh, I picked this flower. Did it come from a little sprout like that? Then roots. I actually found these top two images, this one up here and this one on the right, on Flickr while I was using that for class, and I thought that's like super cool and something that they would not necessarily just see while they're walking around outside. And so I borrowed those and added them to my slideshow. And then, of course, the stock photo of a root with a little seedling there at the bottom that is probably in every science book ever for first grade plant unit. And then I did adult plants because it drives me crazy when my kids argue the fact that flowers are not an adult plant. And we've actually gotten to the point where I'm proving to them that it is an adult plant because of what makes up an adult plant. So I thought that'd be kind of neat to just start the whole unit off showing that those are adult plants, so I don't have to have that discussion when we get to the end. But yeah, so Screencast-O-Matic, one of my favorite tools that I've discovered so far in just my first year of this master's education plan. And I hope that it is useful to you and you can do so much with it. So enjoy.